In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate the screen on Windows 10. This is a handy trick if you need to switch your screen to portrait mode for reading, coding, or simply because you want to change things up. Rotating your screen can also be useful if you're working with certain types of content that require a vertical layout. So let's get started on how you can easily rotate your screen. First, we're going to begin by right-clicking on your desktop. Now, this action is done anywhere on the open area of your desktop where there aren't any icons. The right-click context menu holds various options, and from this menu you're going to select Display Settings. This option allows you to adjust different settings related to your display, which is exactly what we need for this task. Once you're in the display settings, take a glance at the options that pop up. Here you'll find all the settings related to how things are displayed on your screen, from resolution to orientation. You'll want to scroll down a bit until you spot display orientation. This is where the magic happens. The display orientation section specifically controls how your screen is viewed and can be set to different orientations such as landscape or portrait. Now look for the drop down menu that's located right next to the display orientation label. This drop down menu typically defaults to landscape, which is the standard horizontal display. When you click on it, you'll find a few options to choose from. These generally include landscape, portrait, landscape, flipped, and portrait flipped. Select the option that best fits your needs. For instance, if you're flipping your monitor to work with documents or spreadsheets, you might want to choose portrait or portrait flipped. Each choice will give you a preview of what your screen will look like in that orientation. After selecting your desired orientation, a preview of the change should display immediately. Take a quick look to make sure everything appears as you'd expect. Windows will prompt you to confirm the change. Click Keep Changes if everything looks good. Don't worry if you make a mistake, because you also have the option to revert back if you don't confirm within a few seconds. Windows will automatically restore things to the way they were if you don't respond, which is a nice little safety net. And that's all there is to it. Your screen should now be neatly rotated according to your selection. Remember, this can be handy for various professional or personal tasks you undertake on your computer. It's a simple trick, but one that can make a huge difference depending on your needs. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.